Hello, in this tutorial video, we are going to see how to get more email subscribers and also to open SystemeIO free accounts to those email subscribers. And also, finally, is how to promote content for external content in order to get more email subscribers and so to open more free SystemeIO accounts. And all this is made with the help of an automation tool called Pabbly Connect. And of course, with your SystemeIO account. So this is a video for SystemeIO affiliates. Here is the email capture page. As you can see, under the continue button, I said, you will also receive a free SystemeIO account as a gift. This page could be promoting anything. It's a dynamic page. So when people want to get the gift, they enter their email address and they are inside our SystemeIO email list. But also, they will have a free SystemeIO account without doing anything more. It's automated. So to see inside this funnel, this email capture page, in automation rules, I've added that when people join, I give them the tag affiliate starter kit. So this tag will trigger a workflow in SystemeIO. And this is a workflow. So when they get the tag, I called a webhook. This is a webhook from Pabbly Connect. So in Pabbly Connect, I had created a workflow that the trigger is this webhook. So I call it, I wait 5 minutes, I subscribe the contact to an email campaign, wait 4 hours, and I add them to another email campaign. So in those email campaigns, of course, I act as a SystemeIO affiliate. So I promote SystemeIO and other affiliate products. But when they join, this Pabbly Connect workflow is triggered, and so they have a SystemeIO account. Why I wait 5 minutes before subscribing them to an email campaign is because when I create a free SystemeIO account for them, it's not automatically created. They receive an email from SystemeIO, which asks them to confirm that they want this free account. So this will be the first email they receive upon subscribing to my email capture page. They will receive an email from SystemeIO saying, please confirm your free account. And if they click, then they will have a free account. It is not created for them automatically. If they don't click on the confirmation email, they will not have a SystemeIO account. Also, if they already have a SystemeIO account under their email address, then it will not create a new one. There is only one SystemeIO account per email address. So this will work only for people who don't have a SystemeIO account under their email address, and also for people who actively click on the email to confirm that they want it. So it's not forcing anyone. It's a gift from me to them, a free SystemeIO account if they want it, if they don't already have it. What is the advantage of this? It is because their SystemeIO account will be tagged with my affiliate ID. That's why we are doing this. They have a free SystemeIO account, and once they confirm and they get their SystemeIO account, they will receive emails from SystemeIO telling them to upgrade to a paid plan, and every time in those emails, my affiliate ID will be added to the links in the emails from SystemeIO. So when they decide to upgrade, I will get the commission, the affiliate commission. So now we will see in Pabbly Connect how to do it. So you see this trigger is the webhook. So in Pabbly Connect, you create a workflow with the trigger webhook by Pabbly. They give you this webhook URL, and that's the one that you put in SystemeIO workflow. So upon this, what it does is the action API by Pabbly. And here you see, you select action event custom request, method post, and the API endpoint URL is simply the home page of SystemeIO with your affiliate ID. Here you see integration mark SA equals, and here you have your affiliate ID, and you can add with the ampersand TK, you can add a tracking. So when you will see in your affiliate dashboard in SystemeIO, you will see this tracking next to a sale or next to a free account creation. So here I put auto go EN for English because I have already also in French. So I can see that new people are creating a free SystemeIO account with this tracking. And I know it's because they joined through my email capture page. The payload type is a JSON. And here you can add a header, referrer, you paste the same URL, so the home page with your affiliate ID and the tracking. And then in the data, so it's a JSON type, you have to write, so you can press pause on the video, you have to write this. And here in the email, we put the values that we got in the webhook. The first step, the trigger of this workflow, we have the contact email, which is sent by SystemeIO. So we put this time zone. This is for English-based email capture page, so I put American. And with this, when you send those information with the email address, it will try to create a free SystemeIO account, and this email address will receive an email from SystemeIO asking them to confirm. This is the same way if they did it by themselves on SystemeIO site. When they want to open a free account, they got the email confirmation. They have to click it. So that's it for this workflow. It's very simple. And if you want to summarize, you create an email capture page. In the automation rules, I mean, from the automation rules, you can call, when you add an action, you have here the send webhook. You could do it immediately. Me, I choose to do something different. I just give them a tag, and then I go into the workflow builder of SystemeIO, and I start with this tag. Why I do that? Because in the workflow, you can add delays, which you cannot do in the automation rules. It's all happening at once, all the actions. Here you can have delays, so I can wait, I can subscribe to a campaign, wait again, subscribe to another, so I can better organize what is happening to the new email subscribers, because you have to take into account that if you send everything at once, they will not know what to do. They will get confused. So here I could have waited even more than 5 minutes. But you have to take into account that the people will act if it's simple and obvious. What you ask from them, what you ask them to do, it needs to be obvious. Here I wait 5 minutes because once they go into their email inbox, they will see the first message from SystemeIO, then another one from me. There is still a chronological order, so that's fine. Now it's finished for this part of the tutorial. Now I can show you very simply a way to promote your email capture page on Facebook, still using Pabbly Connect. What you can do is to use, that's what I do, a RSS feed. Because RSS feed, if you don't know about it, it was very popular a few years ago with blogs. It's simply the list of all new articles in a blog. But the RSS feed can be used also for any list of items, of content. For instance, on SystemeIO, you have a marketplace where you have affiliate offers. And every day there are new affiliate offers. So this list of new affiliate offers can be a RSS feed. So the RSS trigger from Pabbly, every time there is a new item in the list, so a new content, then this workflow is triggered. And this is the moment where you can use this content in order to promote your email capture page on Facebook, on Twitter, on many social networks. You can have actions in Pabbly Connect, you can connect many things. You can even publish an article on your own WordPress blog with Pabbly Connect with an action. But the important part is the RSS feed, to use it as a source of content, new content, which will trigger promotion on your social networks. That's so I say the marketplace on SystemeIO, but you can also, SystemeIO has a blog, official blog. You can use their blog. So every time they post a new article, you can promote it by adding your affiliate ID to the URL of the article. So you will promote this blog article. When people click, they are tagged with your affiliate ID. So once they go to the blog of SystemeIO, if they choose to create a new account, a free account of SystemeIO, because this is what is promoted heavily on the blog, to create a SystemeIO, to use SystemeIO. So if they do that, they will be under you. So if they have a paid plan, you will get the affiliate commission. So how you do it, this workflow for RSS, it's, it depends of your RSS, but when you get here, for instance, me, I use the marketplace. So you can see in the response, you have what you receive. It's always, you have the link to the new content, the description, and other things. So here, the content is empty in this one. So I just have the URL of the new marketplace offer. So, and the title and the URL, but there is no description, no content. So in the Facebook post, I can say, oh, there is a new offer. This is the title, and go and check it out. But I will not put this URL. You have to understand, you don't put the URL of the content, because what you want to do is to promote your email capture page or the content by adding your affiliate ID. So in another step, you will add the link. You know, when you post, I mean, to make it clear, once you have this, for instance, here, post message. So on Facebook group, you have to own your group and to add the Pabbly Connect app to your group. And then you can choose it and put in the message. So, and the link. Here, you can add at the end of this link. So you put the link that you received in the RSS feed, and you can add SA equals, and you have your affiliate ID, and then it will be tracked to you. So the link, you modify it. So there are many ways to modify it. The simple one is to just add this, but what you will do is for the link, send to your email capture page. Because if you want it, you have to contact me. I can give you this. This one is a dynamic. This means that I can change what is promoted on this one. So I could promote a link to a website, a YouTube video, or anything really on the internet. And when they enter their email address, the next page, the thank you page, will have a button to go to what was being promoted by this page. This is outside the scope of this tutorial video about Pabbly, but if you are interested, contact me. I will explain further how you can take advantage of RSS feeds in order to promote your email capture page, and so to open new free SystemeIO account. So with the use of Pabbly, you can go to Pabbly, you have a free account for 100 actions per month. But I mean, even a paid plan of Pabbly is very competitive pricing, and you have also lifetime deals. If you are interested, contact me also. For this, I can explain what are the advantages of using Pabbly Connect and not another automation tool such as Zapier or Make, other things. Why Pabbly Connect is the tool to use for all your automations. This is just an example, but you have many more things you can do. That's what I use. For instance, I use it for to reply with artificial intelligence, to reply to the comments that people put under my YouTube videos. I use Pabbly Connect to handle this. You can use Pabbly Connect. I will show you in the next video how to use it in order to act as yourself and to reply to all comments on your Facebook page. You can create a Facebook page, and anytime people comment your post, of course you can post with Pabbly Connect, but anytime someone comments, you can reply automatically with artificial intelligence, and this is all done from Pabbly Connect. So I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.